Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome again to a new experimental video. I got this XXL wool from Tedi, and it's so nice and fluffy. How exactly I did this, I'm gonna show you now, and obviously also which wool I used. Have fun! Alright guys, so this is the extra large soft unicorn yarn. 100 grams, 20 meters long, so super short. I bought it at Tedi for $2.55. It's meant for size 12 crocheting hooks, but I'm actually going to choose a much bigger one here. I'm going to test it here. This one on the right is my 12. The one on the left doesn't actually say which size it is, but I think it's a size 20. I thought maybe it was a 15, but honestly, in comparison, I think it's really big. I think it's a size 20. And you can see it's a color fade wool. I'm gonna, take off the label here. I'm actually gonna use 2 balls of this yarn. Okay. So label off, and you can see, how thick and voluminous this yarn actually is. Yeah, you can kind of see like the inner core is kind of thinner, but I'm trying to show you, but it's kind of hard to see. There's definitely a middle in here that you can kind of feel, but there's just so much fluff around that it's really hard to show. Yeah, I can't really show it to you guys, but I can feel it. It's 100% polyester. And has just, this really cute color fade here with some pinks, purples, blues, and some yellow. Or maybe not a pink, more like a pastel. It's all very pastel-y. And so if I use the size 12 crocheting hook like recommended, it's really tight. And just, it's very difficult to see the stitch structure, and it's too difficult for me personally. And so I'm just going to use my really big hook here. I actually don't have a crocheting hook in between the 12 and the 20, but honestly the size 20 seems to work totally fine. And you can see how large these stitches are getting. This is number 4. 5. Wow, yes, 5 stitches, 5 chain stitches here. I'm gonna add 2 here for height, and then I will go backwards in half double crochets. I'm pretty sure these might be the biggest stitches I've ever crocheted. And honestly, now you can definitely see the structure of the stitches much better. With the size 12, it was really hard to see where the stitches were. But now with the size 20, it actually works quite well. Here we go into the next one. And as you can see, it's just with the half double crochets in one row, it's 5, 6, 7 centimeters. This is my second to last stitch here for this first row. I have 3, this is number 4, half double crochet, and then this is number 5 and the last. Alright, and so we have 5 half double crochets, and you can see how large this already has gotten. I'm thinking I could actually maybe make it a little thinner. Just because the balls of yarn are so short, it's only 20 meters each. I'm actually gonna make it thinner. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I had the 2 for height, I'm gonna do 3 double crochets per row with a 2 chain stitches for height. So, so these 2 here at the side are for height, but we have 3 chain stitches at the bottom and then 2 for height. And so we just crochet 3 half double crochets. And so here again, 2 for height, turn it around. And we will go right on into the stitch here. Really easy to get through actually, even though the hook is so big. As you see, sometimes you can maybe have to make sure that you're getting both of the threads here on the top, like here again. Exactly. And then here again, 2 for height. The big ball of yarn is already getting a little smaller. And then here again, the third one of the row, the last one of the row. So as you can see, this is super quick to crochet like this. We're doing 3 double crochets per row and then the 2 chain stitches to begin the row. I'm gonna use the whole ball here and then we'll give you an update. Yeah. All right, guys, so here's my update. This is after the full first ball of yarn. I have about 90 centimeters here. Actually a nice length, considering it's only 20 meters. It's, you know, not super wide, but so cozy. And here we're gonna continue. I started already this row here with chain stitches, and I'm just gonna, you know, tie together these 2 ends here. All right, pull it tight. There we go. And then we continue. You can see again the 3 stitches here from the row before, and we continue. And because we have the color fade here, and you know, they change so quickly, every stitch basically we have a different color. Obviously it's a lot easier than here to see where you have to poke in with your hook. Yeah. And so here we have the other 2. All right, next row done. 2 chain stitches here for height, and we continue. And then I will give you another update when we're done. All right, guys. So here I am at the end of the second ball of yarn, or almost at the end. It's so fluffy and cozy, and I'm in love with how this looks actually. I have a little bit left here. I'm going to pull it out here at the end of this row. It's not enough for another one. So I'm just kind of pulling it out, pulling it tight, and then the scarf is basically done. All I have to do now is I'm gonna shorten this here, and then we will go and hide the thread here. I would recommend just using a smaller crocheting hook and just pulling the thread in into the stitches just to hide it. This is here really easy, and because if you get if you just get a needle to try to hide the thread, you're not going to find one that's big enough for this one. And so the crocheting hook here I think works pretty well. And yeah, obviously I really hope that you like this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about new videos. Please share this video with your friends, and we'll see you next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!